New ancient shark species found at Mammoth Cave. Imagine uncovering a hidden chapter from Earth's distant past, one that not only excites scientists, but could change how we see ancient ocean life. That's exactly what's happening at Kentucky's Mammoth Cave, where researchers have identified yet another prehistoric shark species, adding impressive depth to a site already famed for its fossil discoveries. But here's where it gets controversial. Could there still be countless ancient creatures waiting to be found beneath our feet? The new species, named Macadens olsoni, emerged from the ancient St. Genevieve Formation, a set of rock layers that formed approximately 335 to 340 million years ago. Back then, the area we know as Mammoth Cave was submerged under a warm, shallow sea teeming with marine organisms. Imagine crinoids, corals, and now this newly revealed ancient shark. What makes Macadens olsoni so special? Its most striking feature is a unique tooth formation called a tooth whorl, a fascinating curved row of teeth, perfectly designed for crushing the shells of small prey, such as mollusks and worms. Unlike the towering sharks made famous by movies, this species probably reached less than a foot in length. It's a powerful reminder. Greatness in the fossil record isn't always about size. Park Superintendent Barclay Trimble shared his enthusiasm, saying, "This discovery is a remarkable addition to our knowledge of ancient marine life and highlights why protecting and studying our natural history is so important." The shark's name, Macadens olsoni, was chosen not only to reflect its Mammoth Cave origins, but also to honor Rickard Bolson, a dedicated, now retired park scientist who was instrumental in documenting fossil remains there. The find was made possible by a collaborative research effort including the National Park Service, the Smithsonian Institution's Paleobiology Department, and the Mammoth Cave National Park team. Together, they're piecing together the puzzle of prehistoric marine ecosystems, showing how paleontology isn't just about bones. It's about connecting us with stories that unfolded millions of years before humanity existed. And this is the part most people miss. Such discoveries do more than flesh out our understanding of the distant past. They also create rich educational resources for students and a spark of wonder for park visitors. As Superintendent Trimble pointed out, every fossil find is a bridge between Earth's ancient history and the present day. But the surprises didn't stop there. The same research led scientists to update the identity of another ancient shark. Previously known as Halodus cluxanus, it's now called rhodolens, nicknamed wheeltooth, because its distinctively shaped dental features. That kind of scientific revision can ignite debate. How often do we get our ancient biology wrong? And what does this mean for the stories we tell about life's evolution? Now, here's what could stir disagreement. Should more funding and resources go toward preserving and exploring cave ecosystems for fossil research? Or are we focusing too much on the past at the expense of present-day conservation? Tell us what you think. Should we dig deeper for ancient secrets? Or do we risk neglecting the living world right above these remarkable discoveries? Curious to see more prehistoric finds from America's most extraordinary cave system? Explore the Mammoth Cave fossil record and let us know. Does this inspire you to rethink what we know about our planet's ancient oceans? Share your thoughts below and join the conversation. 340-million-year-old shark species discovered in Mammoth Cave. A groundbreaking discovery that plunges us into the depths of prehistoric oceans. Diving into the annals of time, a new chapter in the history of marine life has been unveiled. The National Park Service has announced the unearthing of a fossilized tooth belonging to a previously unknown ancient shark species, estimated to be a staggering 340 million years old. This remarkable find was made within the sprawling expanse of the St. Genevieve Formation at Mammoth Cave National Park in Kentucky, just as the excitement of Shark Week was beginning to ripple through the world. But here's where it gets intriguing. The tooth, measuring a mere half-inch, is from a species now named Macadens olsoni. This discovery not only enriches our understanding of ancient marine life, but also highlights the significance of preserving and studying our natural history. And this is the part most people miss. The St. Genevieve Formation, where the tooth was found, is believed to be around 335 to 340 million years old. This ancient geological layer has now become a window into the past, revealing the secrets of a time when Mammoth Cave was submerged under a shallow sea, teeming with life such as crinoids, corals, and other marine creatures. The ancient shark, with its distinctive tooth whorl, a curved row of teeth designed for crushing, likely measured just under a foot in length. It prowled the ancient seas, preying on mollusks and worms. This finding not only enhances our knowledge of ancient marine ecosystems, but also underscores the pivotal role of paleontological research in our national parks. Every discovery like this one bridges the gap between the past and the present, offering priceless educational opportunities for students and the public alike. The species was named in honor of Mammoth Cave and Rickard Olsson, a retired park scientist, whose contributions to science are now immortalized in this ancient creature. The latest revelation marks the fifth new-to-science shark species identified in the cave system, a testament to the rich paleontological heritage that lies hidden beneath our feet. This discovery invites us to ponder what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered in the depths of our planet's history. So, what do you think? Does this discovery spark your curiosity about the mysteries of the deep past? Share your thoughts in the comments below. New ancient shark species discovered at Mammoth Cave. Meet Macadens olsoni. Imagine uncovering a whole new species of ancient shark right beneath our feet in one of America's most famous natural landmarks, Mammoth Cave National Park. But here's where it gets truly fascinating. This tiny shark, barely reaching a foot in length, once thrived in a prehistoric underwater world millions of years ago. What does this discovery tell us about life on Earth so long ago, and why does it matter today? Officials recently announced the identification of a previously unknown species of shark, dubbed Macadens olsoni, uncovered from fossils excavated within the St. Genevieve Formation at Mammoth Cave. This geological layer dates back roughly 340 to 335 million years ago, a time when the region was submerged beneath a warm, shallow sea, bustling with marine life such as crinoids, corals, and other fascinating creatures. The National Park Service explains that this underwater environment was vastly different from the cave system we explore today. What makes Macadens olsoni stand out is its modest size, growing to less than a foot in length, and its specialized feeding habits. Scientists believe this shark primarily fed on small invertebrates like mollusks and worms. Its uniquely curved rows of teeth were perfectly adapted to crush these soft-bodied sea creatures, offering a glimpse into the intricate ecological niches marine animals occupied hundreds of millions of years ago. In a nod to both Mammoth Cave itself and to Rickard Olsson, a retired park scientist instrumental in cataloging the shark fossils, this new species was named Macadens olsoni. The discovery resulted from close collaboration among experts from the National Park Service Paleontology Program, Mammoth Cave National Park, and the Smithsonian Paleobiology Department. Interestingly, this team also revisited another ancient shark species, previously known as Helidus coxanus, renaming it Rotletens, which means wheel tooth, because of distinctive dental features. Both Macadens olsoni and Rotletens showcase the remarkable diversity and complexity of early marine ecosystems. Over the past 10 months alone, researchers have uncovered evidence of more than 40 different species of fossil sharks and their relatives from Mammoth Cave, painting a rich picture of the underwater world that once existed there. Superintendent Barclay Trimble emphasized how discoveries like these not only broaden our understanding of ancient marine life, but also highlight the significance of paleontological research within our national parks. Each fossil unearthed serves as a vital connection between past and present, providing invaluable lessons and educational opportunities for scientists, students, and visitors alike. But this raises the curious question: what else lies hidden beneath these caves? And how might future discoveries continue to reshape our understanding of prehistoric life? Could there be even more extraordinary species waiting to be found, challenging what we think we know about evolution and marine biodiversity? We invite you to share your thoughts and join the conversation. Do you believe such ancient fossils deepen our appreciation for natural history? or is more research needed before we fully grasp their true significance? And perhaps most intriguingly, how far should we go to protect these paleontological treasures while still allowing public access? The debate is wide open. Let us know what you think.